How is a dove like an aeroplane? Nature crafted the dove as its original aeroplane, while humans engineered aeroplanes as our mechanical doves. Both achieve the extraordinary feat of flight, yet their methods contrast beautifully. The dove embodies effortless grace, its feathers and muscles working harmoniously to soar effortlessly. The aeroplane, however, is a triumph of calculated power, its engines roaring as it slices through the sky. This contrast extends to their sounds. The dove's gentle cooing evokes tranquility, while the aeroplane's powerful rumble speaks of human ambition. Navigation, too, is vastly different. Doves follow an instinctual compass, while aeroplanes rely on precise instruments. Yet, ultimately, both are guided by an unwavering determination to reach their destination. Their forms reflect their origins. The dove's soft feathers are shaped by nature, and the aeroplane's sleek metal is a product of human design. The dove embodies the poetic beauty of flight, while the aeroplane represents its mathematical precision. Symbolically, doves represent peace and aeroplanes signify progress. Yet, both capture the timeless human aspiration to break free from the ground and reach for the heavens. Despite their vast differences, doves and aeroplanes share a surprising similarity: the ability to communicate within their respective domains. Doves rely on gentle coos, a soft repertoire of sounds used for everything from attracting mates to conveying danger warnings. The cooing becomes incredibly elaborate during courtship, forming a language of love and partnership. Airplanes, on the other hand, communicate through crackle of radio transmissions. Pilots and air traffic controllers engage in a constant dialogue, ensuring the smooth flow of air traffic. These transmissions provide vital information on location, attitude, potential hazards, maintaining a safe and orderly airspace. While the sound of a dove's coo evokes a sense of peace and tranquility, the controlled chatter of air traffic control conveys a different kind of communication, one of precision and collaboration. Both methods, however, serve the same crucial purpose: navigating the complexities of their environment and ensuring a successful journey. Of course, an aeroplane is a complex machine, dwarfing a dove in size and relying on powerful engines. A dove flies with the grace of nature, its wings whispering instead of roaring. Despite these differences, both exemplify the wonder of flight, showcasing the different ways living creatures and human ingenuity have conquered the sky. The diverse mechanics of flight, doves, vessels, airplanes. While doves and airplanes share the ability to fly, the way they achieve flight is remarkably different. A dove's strength lies in its wings and feathers. Their carefully designed shape generates lift, complex muscle movements, power, graceful strokes, and subtle feather adjustments control direction and speed. This allows the dove to soar, glide, and turn with remarkable agility. Airplanes, on the other hand, are triumphs of engineering. Engines provide the necessary thrust to overcome gravity, while the design of the wings creates lift as air flows over them. This allows airplanes to achieve far greater speeds and carry heavier loads than a dove ever could. Pilots rely on complex instruments and controls to navigate their aircraft, starkly constructing the dove's intuitive knowledge of the air. Despite their differences, both doves and airplanes illustrate the captivating principles of flight, how nature and human technology can conquer the forces of gravity. The art of navigation, doves versus airplanes. Doves are remarkable navigators, often finding their way home over vast distances. This suggests a natural internal compass, far more sophisticated than we fully understand. Scientists believe this ability might be influenced by the Earth's magnetic field or the dove's keen memory of visual landmarks. This mysterious skill highlights the wonder and complexity of the natural world. It reminds us that even seemingly simple creatures possess extraordinary abilities that leave us in awe. While we continue to study and learn from doves, their navigational prowess remains an impressive testament to the hidden wonders of nature. Mirroring this natural ability, aeroplanes utilize sophisticated navigational systems to find their way. Global Positioning System. GPS allows pilots to pinpoint their location precisely and plot efficient routes. Airplanes also use instruments that measure altitude, speed, and direction, giving pilots a comprehensive picture of their flight plan. While a dove navigates with instinct and subtle cues from its environment, an aeroplane relies on human-made technology. Yet, both demonstrate the importance of accurate navigation, whether by feather or computer. The ability to chart a course is essential for successful journeys through the boundless skies. Symbolism. Doves and aeroplanes, while strikingly different in form, carry powerful symbolic meanings. With its gentle nature and soft white feathers, the dove has long been associated with peace, hope, and the promise of new beginnings. Aeroplanes, on the other hand, embody the spirit of exploration, the drive to connect distant lands, and the relentless march of technological progress. These symbolic meanings underscore a shared theme: movement. Doves represent freedom of movement, both physical and spiritual, the ability to rise above conflict and find sanctuary. Airplanes symbolize the desire to push boundaries and connect with a broader world. They evoke a relentlessness within us, a yearning to discover something new just over the horizon. Despite these contrasts, both doves and airplanes spark feelings of progress and possibility within us. Whether it is the peaceful ascent of a dove into the open sky or the powerful takeoff of a jetliner, both remind us of the power of movement, of leaving the familiar behind and embracing the vast potential that lies ahead. Size. The sheer difference in scale between a delicate dove and a massive airplane is undeniable. Yet, within their worlds, both possess a surprisingly level of agility that allows them to thrive. A dove's agility is a marvel of nature. With quick, precise wing beats and subtle adjustments of its feathers, it can weave through trees, dodge obstacles, and make acrobatic turns in midair. This agility is essential for navigating its environment, finding food, and evading predators. Airplanes, while far larger and more cumbersome than a dove, are engineered for a different kind of agility. Pilots can maneuver their aircraft using precise controls and acro-dynamic design with remarkable skill. They can bank, roll, and adjust their flight path to navigate air traffic, respond to weather conditions, and execute smooth landings. The agility of each, though achieved through vastly different means, speaks to the importance of adaptability within their environment. Whether a dove flitting through a forest or an airplane cruising at thousands of feet, the ability to move with precision and control is critical to their success in the ever-changing expanse of the sky. Communication. Despite their vast differences, doves and airplanes share a surprisingly similarity: the ability to communicate within their respective domains. Doves rely on gentle coos, a soft repertoire of sounds used for everything from attracting mates to conveying danger warnings. The cooing becomes incredibly elaborate during courtship, forming a language of love and partnership. Airplanes, on the other hand, communicate through the crackle of radio transmissions. Pilots and air traffic controllers engage in a constant dialogue, ensuring the smooth flow of air traffic. These transmissions provide vital information on location, attitude, and potential hazards, maintaining a safe and orderly airspace. While the sound of a dove's coo evokes a sense of peace and tranquility, the control chatter of air traffic control conveys a different kind of communication, one of precision and collaboration. Both methods, however, serve the same crucial purpose: navigating the complexities of their environment and ensuring a successful journey. In conclusion, the delicate dove and the powerful aeroplane represent vastly different approaches to the same captivating goal, which is flight. A dove embodies the beauty of natural design, its feathers and muscles working in harmony to achieve effortless aerial maneuvers. Airplanes, in contrast, showcase human ingenuity. Engines roar, wings slice through the air, and complex calculations guide them across continents. Yet, in their shared mastery of the skies, doves and airplanes remind us of the fundamental principles of flight. They speak of lift and drag, of air currents and navigation. Whether through instinct or invention, they defy expectations and reshape our understanding of what is possible. While they may differ in size, sound, and motion, mechanics both symbolize the eternal human fascination with breaking the bonds of earth and reaching for the heavens. Nature crafted the dove as its original airplane, while humans engineered airplanes as our mechanical doves. Both achieve the extraordinary feat of flight, yet their methods contrast beautifully. The dove embodies effortless grace, its feathers and muscles working harmoniously to soar effectively and effortlessly. The airplane, however, is a triumph of calculated power, its engines roaring as it slices through the sky. This contrast extends to their sounds. The dove's gentle cooing evokes the tranquility, while the airplane's powerful rumble speaks of human ambition. Navigation, too, is vastly different. Doves follow an instinctual compass, while aeroplanes rely on precise instruments. Yet, ultimately, both are guided by unwavering determination to reach their destination. Their forms reflect their origins. The dove's soft feathers shaped by nature, and airplane's sleek metal, a product of human design. The dove embodies the poetic beauty of flight, while the airplane represents its mathematical precision. Symbolically, doves represent peace and airplanes signify progress. Yet, both capture the timeless human aspiration to break free from the ground and reach for the heavens. This is Dr. Masasekane Misha Kosa, Director of the Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. We thank you for coming around. Thank you.